The fully left the organs on his shirt like he played for the Ducks. This shit I'm selling come out wide.
Like, the good thing that you managed to do in the car is like there's not a lot of background noise, but like the sound of the mic like is not the most high quality sounding mic, right? Mm-hmm. So we gotta make his voice sound like it's less like
ooh, stupid arrows at your noggin.
That's a little dull.
Ooh, stupid arrows at your noggin. I'm the real Cupid, biggest on the screen. Shit, I think
it's like usually what happens with cheaper microphones is there's a lack of like fullness
like
in the low
dynamics?
ends. No, just the tone. Like a lack of fullness in a vocal that's recorded with the cheaper microphones, and the high end is usually too bright, like way too bright, where it's harsh, or like dull. There's like never a sweet spot, like almost never a sweet spot. So like, really, that's what you're messing with right now. Right now, majority of what I hear is like just mid-range, low mid-range kind of sounding vocals.
ooh, stupid arrows at your noggin. I'm the real.
So first thing I'm gonna do is just like grab a parametric, see what it's looking
ooh,
like.
stupid arrows at your noggin. I'm the real Cupid, big.
You hear any frequencies that stand out to you right now?
Ooh, stupid arrows at your noggin. I'm the real Cupid, biggest on the screen. Shit, I think I made your monogram.
Like I say, like you said, I hear more, like you said, the low mids. It's not too much of the
stupid
higher.
arrows.
Look at how right here, bro. Any time that we record in here, we always have frequencies well above this point. This is 13K and above, right?
And that one, it doesn't.
Look how everything just chops off right here.
Ooh, stupid arrows at your noggin. I'm the real Cupid, biggest on the screen.
At 12K, like your frequencies are like this, they're gone past that. So I wonder if there was something set on your microphone or
mic.
Yeah.
I got on the mic I have what is it's a low cut.
Yeah, you had a low cut? Okay.
Ooh, stupid arrows at your noggin. I'm the.
It's a low cut, and then it's a 20 where it's either at 0 or negative 20 dB.
Oh, that's a pad.
So I use that too. Keep it on negative 20. Or should I keep it on 0 and adjust the gain from the interface?
There's something going on with your microphone because all your frequencies past 12K are cut off.
All right.
You do have a little bit of low end.
Ooh, stupid arrows at your noggin.
All right, so like on the U87, for example.
Ooh, stupid arrows at your.
Like all your low end ends here.
Ooh, stupid arrows. Ooh, stupid arrows at your noggin.
And that's okay, but in more expensive microphones, I'll say, and this could have been, you could have captured some of this if you didn't take that low cut. There would be another, somewhere right around here, right around 60, 70, there would be another bump of like frequencies that would give you another push of like fullness that we're lacking here. And that's honestly gonna be one of the hardest things to do because there are no frequencies here.
So
like they're all cut up. Yeah, there's nothing to boost back up really. So like we just gotta make the most out of
out of what we got.
Out of what's here.
Ooh, stupid arrows at your noggin. I'm the real.
Right now the main thing I hear is like there's a certain like bite in your mid range of the vocal.
Ooh, stupid arrows at your noggin. I'm the real Cupid.
You hear that?
Ooh, stupid arrows at your noggin. I'm the real.
It doesn't come in all the time.
Ooh, stupid arrows at your noggin. I'm the.
Like noggin, it does. So certain words.
Ooh, stupid arrows at your noggin.
So when you hear like frequencies poke out in certain phrases or certain words, that's when you want to use multi-band compression or dynamic compression. So on here, like you can just drag this down.
Ooh, stupid arrows at your noggin. I'm the real
Cupid, that area
on the screen. Shit, I think I made your monogram.
Once it hits a certain threshold.
Okay, so it's not doing
Ooh,
it the whole
stupid
time.
arrows at your noggin. I'm the real Cupid, biggest. Ooh,
and the nice thing about Pro Q is like you can see when the frequencies really peak out. See noggin, like right around this area that there's frequencies that just kind of poke out.
Ooh, stupid arrows at your noggin. I'm the real Cupid, biggest.
Some here too.
Ooh, stupid,
look at that. Look at these
stupid arrows at your noggin. I'm the real.
You gotta match what you're hearing with what you're seeing. You know what I'm saying?
Ooh, stupid arrows.
What is the best way to train the ear to understand, like, what is the best way to train your ear for frequencies?
Man, just practice, just mixing, bro. Like, just practice mixing, because, like, the first thing...
some people talk about, like, different programs, apps, and, like, certain
yeah, you
things
can, but I think the best practice is just mixing. Just practice mixing.
Okay.
But, yeah, I mean, there are, like, apps and stuff that will just, like, train you on like what does a bump in this area sound like? What frequency bump am I where am I adding a frequency booster? Yeah, those are helpful. But I would say the biggest is just like doing what we're doing right here. Like, and the main thing is like listening to, identifying with your ears first where there are problems, and then confirming it with like the views and like the plugins and stuff like that. A lot of people will go here first
Who's stupid?
and look at the visual first and be like, oh my
Who's
God,
stupid?
there's issues all over the place. But like, if you can't really hear it,
Then is it really an issue?
yeah, exactly. If you can't really hear that there's issues all over the place, is it really a problem?
Right.
You know what I'm saying? So you got to use your ears first.
Who's stupid? Arrows at your noggin. I'm the real.
One, that little frequency there that pokes.
Who's stupid? Arrows at your noggin. I'm the. Who's stupid? Arrows at your noggin. I'm the real Cupid. Big.
All right.
Who's stupid? Arrows at your noggin. I'm the real Cupid. Biggest.
Here are the bite like kind of just reduced. So before.
Who's stupid? Arrows at your noggin. I'm the real Cupid. Biggest. Who's stupid? Arrows at your noggin. I'm the real Cupid. Biggest on the screen.
It kept the whole thing a little bit more smooth. Just a teeny bit.
Like that end on noggin doesn't hit as harsh as it was.
Yeah, exactly. So this is the first step, is just like using a parametric EQ to like go over the basic frequencies of the voice and see what needs to, more or less see what needs to be reduced. I'm not even worrying about boosting yet. Hey, I hope you guys have been finding this video helpful and useful. I have a free resource, link in description below. It's called 6 Mix Finalizers. It's a mini course that I've designed to help producers, artists, upcoming engineers just like yourself finish your mixes faster. And I really wish someone would have shared this resource with me in the beginning of my mixing journey. So if you want to go check that out, link is in description below. Let's get back to the video.
Start a new game like I'm used to it. I don't need.
Maybe now I'd focus on the dullness. Like, it's really dull. So you need a lot of help in the high register. But notice like
To some paper. I start doing.
all of your frequencies past like 11, 12 totally fell off, right? If you just want to use an EQ and boost, like you can just boost high end, but a better way of doing it in this scenario is going to be saturating the high end. You know the difference between saturating and versus boosting?
No, I felt saturation was like a slight distortion, but good distortion.
Yeah, it's distorting. So you're distorting the signal, right? But like if you boost frequencies, you're just boosting what's already there. Saturating frequencies
You're changing the actual.
adds more frequency content there in that region.
Okay.
So if you're lacking, you like if you,
Saturation is like coming in with a.
think about it. You're saturating.
Patty, basically.
Basically, you must be hungry. That's
Throw
all
the
I
extras
know.
on there.
You must be hungry.
Nah, I actually did have a good sandwich. I went to Mike's Deli for lunch.
Interesting plugins. I'm actually curious. No, definitely, we're not using this.
What the fuck was that?
I don't know. Just by the look of it, I was like, nah.
I've never seen that movie.
I was just like, nah. Maybe two. So maybe like, all right. So you got different types of saturation. You got tube saturation, transformer saturation, bunch of different saturation. Those are probably the two of the most common though, and those are actually modeled off of like real circuitry, like real analog things, like tubes that are in these things or transformers that are in these things. This saturates whatever you want to throw in it. It saturates it, right? So we got Beauty and we got Beast. We can play with these first, and let's just hear how they sound.
To some paper. I start doing it up. I'm true to it. Start a new.
All right, so Beast gave you more fullness, more weight, a little bit.
To some paper. I start doing it up. I'm true to it. Start a new game like.
That's cool though.
High mid?
It's almost like mids. All right, so then we got a tone section. All right, so what I would do is just use a little bit of both of this and then use the tone to get that high end up.
To some paper.
We got a transformer on.
To some paper. I start doing it up.
You notice, you hear that difference already?
Wait, no, do it again.
Transformers are like really cool in music.
Yeah, Autobots, Decepticons. Oh, you're talking about different Transformers, my bad.
So like Transformers are just like a part of analog circuitry that like it steps up voltage. Anyway, without getting too scientific, it adds a lot of saturation. Adds a lot of
Transformer
weight.
is the extra saturation, basically.
Off. Listen to it off.
To some paper. I start doing it up. I'm true to it. Start a new game like I'm used to it. I don't.
You feel that weight a little bit more. Like there's a little bit more of this area here, this weight here in the 60s or whatever. that
I'm
that
gonna turn the
adds.
AC off real quick.
Yeah, go ahead. I was gonna say too.
Start a new game like I'm used to it. I know these niggas gonna talk about me, add some truth to it. Me and the money be connected. It's like we Bluetooth and move stupid.
I'm just adding a little bit just to see the vibe, because also on here we got a mix knob, so we can always turn it down if we need to.
To some paper, I start doing it up. I'm true to it. Start a new game like I'm used to it. I know these niggas gonna talk about me, add some truth to it. Me and the money be connected. It's like we Bluetooth and move stupid. Arrows at your noggin. I'm the real Cupid, biggest on the screen. Shit, I think I'm.
So you hear that difference?
To some paper, I start doing it up. I'm true to it. Start a new game like I'm used to it. I know these niggas gonna talk about me, add some truth to it. Me and the money be connected. It's like we Bluetooth and move stupid. Arrows at your noggin. I'm the real Cupid, biggest on the screen. Shit, I think I made your monogram. Wu-Tang, all about the cream. Bring a lot of bands. These niggas only ball on hoes. You Joanna, man. Niggas hate me, but they love to watch me. Sure you not a fan? When money into my account, shit, that's my only trans.
I actually really like this magnitudes.
You got bars.
We still need a little bit more high end.
I like the presence that I gave it too.
A little bit, yeah. We still need more high end and more clarity. Let's go to SSL channel. So let's just see if we boost some high end down here, if it's not gonna be too much.
I had to some paper, I start doing it up. I'm true to it. Start a new game like I'm used to it.
You see how his voice kind of sounds a little bit like that over the beat? Like once you put in the beat
kind
by itself,
mask his voice.
the beat reveals how low fidelity the microphone is.
Okay.
Put it that way. So we're just gonna try and get some more high end out of his voice.
I shut the fully left the organs on his shirt like he played for the Ducks. This shit I'm selling come out wider than Hillary Duff. Niggas call me B. Jennings, only ball for the Bucks.
Look how much I'm boosting and it's not doing nothing. That's what I'm trying to tell you.
I shut the fully left the organs on his shirt like he played for the Ducks. This shit I'm selling come out wider than Hillary Duff.
Oof, hard working with these mics, bro.
I shut the fully left the organs on his shirt like he played for the Ducks. This shit I'm selling come out wider than Hillary Duff. Niggas call me B. Jennings, only ball for the Bucks. As soon as I had to some paper.
Let me try this one more time. Hold on.
I shut the fully left the organs on his shirt like he played for the Ducks. This shit I'm selling come out wider than Hillary Duff. Niggas call me B. Jennings, only ball for the Bucks. As soon as I had to some paper, I start doing it up. I'm true to it. Start a new game like I'm used to it. I know these niggas gonna talk about me, add some truth to it. Me and the money be connected. It's like we Bluetooth and move stupid. Arrows at your noggin. I'm the real Cupid, biggest on the screen. Shit, I think I made your monogram. Wu-Tang, all about the cream. Bring a lot of bands. These niggas only ball.
It's way different.
It's a little better.
This shit I'm selling come out.
It brings out other frequencies that are a little bit harsh now. So
I shut the fully left the organs on his shirt like.
it's mainly that one. I'm hearing that one a lot more now. So
I shut the fully left the organs on his shirt like he played for the Ducks. This shit I'm selling come out wider than Hillary Duff.
hey, I hope you guys have learned something from today's video. I would love to hear your thoughts, so comment below and I'll check those out. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of the future videos coming up. My name is Princeton Brown. I'm a producer and mixing engineer based in Los Angeles, and I would love to hear from you. If you have a brand new song that you're working on and would love a mix on by me, send it my way. I would also love to give you feedback on the mixes that you're working on, so please send those my way. Last but not least, I have a free mini course called 6 Mix Finalizers. All of this information is in the description below. Thank you guys again for tuning in and watching. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.
Sonic Gold Productions.